Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekend off-roading. Today we're going to be talking about the WaterPORT and the mods I've done. First mod I've done is I've put a ammo box attached to the WaterPORT. So I used the mounting holes of the WaterPORT and attached the box. I'll show you here for a clearer picture. And then I 3D printed a mount for this as well, and I'll show you what that looks like. So as you can see there, the mount I'm using is actually for a battery, like a camera battery mount. And so far it's been holding up well. And I 3D printed this bracket that you can see that supports it at the bottom as well. That's what it looks like inside. 2 bolts and then another 3D printed bracket, just to make sure that it's safe and it won't move. But with that, I do want to show you my kit here that's inside. So it's going to be plug it into the WaterPORT, and I'll show you what my setup looks like. So this is what I have right now, and this is my WaterPORT setup. You might recall that I've used this electric pump for one of my other videos, and I'll link that down below. But as you can see here, so this hose is plugged in to the WaterPORT hose that leads all the way down under my car, connected to the WaterPORT. And then I have a water filter, inline water filter. Even though the water is already clean, I just want to make the water taste even better to make sure it doesn't taste very plasticky. And it gets pumped up to the actual pump, and then beside it is just a little soap station. But that's my setup, and that's my mod that I've done. So instead of pressurized water like what you're supposed to use it for, I just have an electric pump pumping the water. I mean, you can still use it as a pressurized water, and that's my backup option if this thing fails. But so far this has been really good. When you first start it up, it does take a second to prime, but I've already primed it, and here's how it works. Just click the button and water comes out. Very beautiful. So how I have these attached on is just magnets and 3D printed mounts. So you can see there, it's all 3D printed and magnetic to the car. Same with the hose holder down there. It's all 3D printed and using magnets. So that is my WaterPORT setup. Hopefully this helps you guys and gives you some ideas on what you can do with your WaterPORT, or if you have a similar system. But again, if you like the video, like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day.